Today, I'll be going over a before, during, and after reading strategy to be used in the middle school physical education setting. You may be asking yourself, reading in PE? To which I say yes. There are and should be some opportunities to read in PE, such as reading directions of a new game, which is what we'll be using for our example today. The strategy I'll be using is called a KWL chart, which stands for Know, Want to Know, and Learned. The chart itself will cover the before and during portions, and an exit question at the end will cover the after portion of the BDA structure. There are many ways teachers can facilitate KWL charts into their classrooms, such as independent graphic organizers, like I'll be using here. You can see the columns Know, Want to Know, and Learned. And here are just some things that the students might write as they fill out their KWL chart. Okay, or small groups can work together and collaborate using small dry erase whiteboards as you see here. Okay, so to begin, I would ask students what they already know about our new game, Frisbee Golf. They may respond with answers like, it's played with a Frisbee, or I saw some people throwing Frisbees into the cage at the park. These responses should go into the K column, and these are things that they already know. Next, I would guide students in determining what they want to know about the game. Responses may include things like the rules of the game, let's see here, how many people can play, how do you win when you play Frisbee golf, and what equipment is needed, etc. After the K and the W columns have been completed, students will be given a reading handout with complete instructions and directions for how to play recreational Frisbee golf. I could assign timed quiet independent reading, or read it to them and have them follow along, but for this instance, I would probably utilize the popcorn reading method or technique to have different students read small portions of the text until the whole thing has been read. And before starting, I would tell students to simply raise their hand and pause the reading if they needed clarification or any help with the directions. After the reading is complete, students will then proceed to complete the Learn column of the chart. This will be their exit ticket. So here, to move on to playing the game, students will construct a short response to the summary question, what I know about Frisbee golf now is ... So that's the KWL strategy for before, during, and after reading, and how I would incorporate it into a physical education classroom setting at a middle school. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.